If you see the message saying shift system fault in your Fusion, first of all you need to check if the linkage on the transmission is still attached properly. Fortunately, it's easy to locate. It's placed near the dipstick hole cover and it's a plastic thing that isn't looking very reliable. Anyway, it would be nice if someone could shift to different modes when you are watching this mechanism and make sure it actually moves. If it's not attached properly, there is a small bushing that this linkage sits on, and it's known to be faulty in Fusion models since the plastic in this bushing degrades pretty fast and loses its shape. This may lead to the whole linkage failing of the transmission or just losing proper contact with it. Sometimes you may just pop this linkage out and then attach it properly again and it will work, but in a lot of cases you will need the bushing that connects this linkage to the transmission. Fortunately, it costs like $2 or $3 and is installed very easily without any professional help. Of course, this plastic bushing is just one of the common reasons, but you may have a more serious issue like a broken shifter cable or issues with the transmission arm that's connected to that cable. But it's almost always something connected with that linkage, which you can clearly see when you open the hood and look at the top of your transmission. So you should start with these before you pay for any inspections and repairs.